All right, guys, this is an example of problem number 16 in your pulley, lever, and ramp study guide questions. So, I want to make sure that you know how to get your numbers for these types of problems when you're calculating AMA, IMA, and efficiency. First of all, it shows you on this problem that you have for IMA, it's distance divided by your resistance. It's the same as always. IMA is always distance of your effort divided by your distance of your resistance. And this problem, it tells you that your distance of your effort is the distance traveled by the effort. So in this case, you're shown that it's 15 feet that you have to push this cart up this ramp if you want to get it to the top of the ramp. The distance traveled by the resistance, really, that's the distance that if you didn't have the ramp there, how far do you really want to move in this case, the cart? And you're showed here that it's 4 feet is the height of the ramp. That's like if there was a truck sitting there at the top of the ramp. If you are strong enough, you could lift, excuse me, you could lift that cart right up into the bed of the truck. So that's how you're going to calculate the IMA. In this case, it's 15 feet divided by 4 feet for an answer of 3.75. Okay, and then you've got your numbers here that somebody's been scribbling on already. Okay, your AMA is for your forces. Okay, AMA, actual mechanical advantages, deals with forces, force of resistance or the load divided by your force of your effort. In this case, you see that your load is 50 pounds and your effort is 20 pounds. So you have 50 divided by 20 is 2.5. Efficiency is AMA divided by IMA, in this case 2.5 divided by 3.75. Always turn it to a percent, so you multiply it by 100 and you get 0.67. Here's question number 16. Let's take a quick look at it. Okay, AMA equals force of resistance divided by force of effort. It's always going to be forces, and it's always going to be resistance on the top of effort on the bottom. Your resistance is the force of the load, and it's showing you that this is the load. It's pointing an arrow straight down. Here is your load, 50 newtons. Your effort, follow the arrow. You have to push that load up the ramp. It's 20 newtons. 50 divided by 20. Punch those numbers into your calculator. 50 divided by 20. Let's actually use the calculator. 50 divided by 20. Oops, I didn't want to do that. 2.5. So 2.5. I am a teacher. Ideal mechanical advantage. IMA is your distance of your effort divided by your distance of resistance. Distance of your effort, remember, it's how far did you have to push it. Okay, in this case the ramp is 12 meters long. 12. And this is your distance of your resistance, 4 meters. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Percent efficiency is equal to your AMA divided by your IMA, and that would be 2.5 divided by 3. 2.5 divided by 3 is 0.8333. 0.8333. To change that to a percent, in order to get it to the percent efficiency, we multiply by 100, and that gives you an efficiency of 83.33%. Okay, great. You guys do all your practice problems with these. Practice lots of problems with the ramp, the inclined plane. Ask lots of questions, and you can do this stuff.